Namaste, welcome to our spoken English online classes. I'm here to talk about IELTS. What is this IELTS? It is International English Language Testing System. This is conducted by Cambridge Council. There are two organizations which are giving this test. The one is British Council and the other is IDP. So, how is this test conducted? Before going into this, I would like to tell you there are two types of IELTS tests. The one is academic and the general. Academic is for the students who want to study overseas, and the people who are trying for the PR, they should go with the general IELTS. And IDP and as well as British Council conduct the same test. People, you need not worry about this, all the students here. Why? Because there's only one difference we find between general and academic, that is reading is a bit easy. All of the modules are the same. Please do remember this. One and general, the reading is a bit easy, as well as writing task 1, they have a letter writing. So let us get into this modules of IELTS. The test is conducted in 4 modules. The first one is listening, where you have 4 sections in this. Each section you should listen to the audio and answer in the booklet. And the second one is, it is reading, where you will have 1 hour test, 3 passages you got to attend. Each passage will go for 20 minutes. Remember, in IELTS, you have to improve a lot of reading efficiency, and reading must be completed exactly 1 hour, and even the answer should be transferred to the OMR sheet. Whereas in the listening, you are given extra 10 minutes, that is 30 minutes for the test and 10 minutes to carry the answers to the answer sheet. And coming to the third one is writing. In general IELTS, it is letter writing, the task 1, and it should be written in 150 words. And the second task is writing task 2, where you have to write an essay or like an article for 250 words. And coming to the academic writing task 1, it is describing a diagram or a figure or whatever it is. Maybe the directions, you should be prepared for that all. And this is for 20 minutes, and the rest 40 minutes is for writing task 2, same as in general writing. That's on the whole 2 hours 40 minutes is given first day for you to go with the listening, reading and writing. And the writing is given for 1 hour. Please remember, you should be efficient in managing the time, and your vocabulary should be good. And coming to the very special one is the speaking. The speaking part, they may take 1 day before or a week before or 3 days after, anything like that. You are allotted time for this, and in 2020 there's no changes are made except changing the data of the questions. It is not the test module, as I said. It is like, not in the section for listening. It is taken as part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. So you need not worry that 2020 has changed everything. Don't be in a negative way that you can't attempt it. What is that really we need with the speaking? I want to tell you. This is like, where your proficiency in English is tested in speaking, listening, reading and writing. Suppose think that you went to abroad and you are going to study there. In that university where you are studying, you will get the people who are around the globe, but your voice is not there. What for did you go there? What is that you are going to ask your professors with regard to your doubts? You just stay numb and you are going to be a stranger. So in order to avoid all this, the council has created the speaking test. Please remember, the speaking is very important for you throughout your life when you are going abroad and studying over there or for a PR. In speaking, we have 3 parts. The first part talks about, you will be asked only general questions. Those questions in further classes I would tell you. The part 2 is describing something, and it should be like, you should speak for 2.5 minutes. And the part 3 section, you should answer till they ask you the next question. On the whole, part 1 you may get 6 questions, and part 2 is only 1, and the third one is maybe 4. You have to concentrate more on what is the speaking test. In this speaking test, what is more important is the pronunciation. People who do not have the right pronunciation, and your sound should be like a rhythmic flow of the language. It should be like the fluency should go in a natural way. You should speak almost like a native speaker. Remember this word, you should speak English like a native speaker. I'm an IELTS trainer from past 26 years. I train around 7,800 students, and my band scale is witnessed 9. If you want any kind of online training classes, you can ask us. Well, coming to the speaking, so it's like, you have to remember the spontaneity is also the other word, and more video classes I would be giving you on each module separately. Till then, thank you.